Hey guys, welcome to Daniel's Tutorials, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how I can do a whiteboard animation using Canva. Now it's very simple. What you need to do is to have, of course, your whiteboard animation design. Basically, what I'm trying to say is you should have a page or a design already prepared with what you want to animate. For example, I have this one. And you can do this by going to something like element over here and just typing out something like sketch and adding graphics here. Now what we're trying to make here is a photo. So despite the fact that I have here a video, this will still be saved as a photo later on. For example, I'm going to be adding these sketches over here. It doesn't really matter what kinds of things you add here. So let's say it ends up looking like that. Now we have to save this one as a photo. So we go over to share, go to download, and go to PNG or JPEG, whatever you want. And I'm just gonna save this one specific page or this one photo. So like that, I've saved it like that as a current page, and now it has been saved. Let's try going on to a different design. For instance, let's head over back to create over here, and then let's just go to create another video, since it's gonna be a video. It won't be an animation if it's not a video. So here we are on a new design. This is gonna be our video, and what I will do is to put our photo which we have downloaded, right? For example, which is this one. Picture, there we go. The other one in the middle wasn't included because that was a video. So you have to make sure that everything must be a graphic design. So for example, I put this here already. I put it in the middle like that. And now what you need to do is to go over here to apps and then search up speed paint. And then you have to go to speed paint over here and then choose file. Okay, so you don't upload it yet. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this. So I'm just gonna choose a file and put it here. Now you have to choose. You can choose whether you want it to be 60 fps or lower or higher, and how long you want the sketch duration to be. I'm just gonna make it 5 seconds to make it a bit faster. Color fill. There's not really any color right now, so I'm just gonna say 2, and then you can add the hand style. I'm gonna use this pen. Is whether the sketch type there should be color or not. I mean, if I can just leave it at that, it won't make any difference anyway, since everything's black. I mean the ink. So you have to choose the background color. I am just gonna stick to white because that's the point of a whiteboard animation. Now drawing order, tap to bottom, text first, text at the end. I'm just gonna go to auto and sketch noise reduction. So I set that to auto as well, and then gonna add fade out effect. So now let's just connect our account first for this to work to the speed paint website. It's gonna be logging into using my Google account, and now what you just do is use a Gmail account that you have to download on, then continue. Just follow the process, and then we should have this. As you can see, now I only have 1 credit because this is no longer free. It used to be free, but now I don't know, they add some things. Okay, now I'm just gonna click on animate image, and now we just have to wait for it to be animated. Okay, here we go. We have the video. Let's stretch that out to fill the entire screen, and now I can just watch and play and see what it looks like. As you can see, it looks like this. A bit fast, I guess. Still coloring some stuff too. Even though there's no color, it's because I used the effect. But that's it. That's how you can create a whiteboard animation using Canva. It's pretty simple. You just have to have an account, but that's it. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.